Hit on the bike, mofos. So there's the bike, 35 ringgit for the day. It's like about 6 quid, I guess. And yeah, there's one of the suspension bridges taking you from the mainland to here. Pretty nice view. Awesome, pure awesomeness, right? Wow. Seems like a nice stretch by the sea. No sunbathing on this part of the coast though. Penang World City. Just absolutely fucking stunning, isn't it? Now this looks like a nice area to be hanging around. Penang World City. Don't know whether that was just the name of a particular resort back there, or whether it's the name of this area, but seems nice. Looks like there's a nice little walk down here. Let's check out this little walk. Damn, I forgot to bring my hat. Forgot to bring my hat. Oh well. I got the helmet on most of the time. Wow. Wow. Fucking awesome, man. Isn't she lovely? Smell that sea. Somebody bought the motorbike down here. I should have bought the motorbike down here. So this is nice. You've got these apartments which will have a great view. Wonder how much these are. Muy bonita, mi hermosa. Muy bonita. I think I'm getting inspired to write another song. This place is fucking amazing, man. Wow. I know it looks like another bridge over there. That's a different one to the one I saw, I think. Look at this, man. Wow. Presuming this is going to be more wow factor here. Whoa, nearly tripped up. It's like a little temple thing. Spirit house. Lots of crows around here. Cool. Sky is so fucking blue. And I'm on the way to a place called Bay in La Paz. I keep seeing signs for it. I don't know whether this is it over here or what, but so beautiful. Look at these butterflies. Dancing, having fun. So I'm not sure where I am. I think I missed the turn for Bayan La Pass, but just gonna take a break. The sun is so hot already. I mean, there's definitely a difference between riding here and in Thailand. The intensity of the sun for riding is crazy. And then of course it's almost like you've got to cover up the hotter it gets, but you don't want to do that because it's hot. I was going to wear my longer shorts, but they're kind of like thicker material, so all those kind of things come into play. But it's a beautiful day. So the guy just told me it's Bayan La Pass. This is the Bayan La Pass area, but the actual city centre's a few K away, so. Monkey. You want to see what's up here? Well, what's up here is absolutely epic views. Wow. You just can't get your head around how beautiful it is. But of course, we should come to expect that from this wondrous being we call the Earth. Oh, there's even more. I've got to go up here as well and check this out, see what's up this hill. There's some cool properties up here, man. Kind of like a boat shaped house, cool. Right up here amongst all this magic. It's a long old bridge, that is. I don't know how long it took to complete that. It's a durian shop here, not open. There's a little doggy here with a paw. No shortage of durian here. Jackfruit as well there. Look at all this durian. It goes on forever. And we've got another view here, the opposite side. Just got to the top of the hill, and this is the seaside side. Epic, more epic views. Wow. Just look at that. Yeah, looks like there's quite a bit of air pollution or just haze or whatever. But yeah, you can just about make out that nice flat horizon there, folks. So, durian lunch, 20 ringgit for this one, about 4 quid, not even that. That's a good price, best price I've seen so far. What's going on with my lens here? That was my first Malaysian durian, and it was absolutely fucking gorgeous. I was just like, I was really kind of sad when I finished the last one. Orgasm, mouth orgasms fucking 101, that was. Wow. Penang rocks. Woohoo. They've got this delicious looking vegetarian dish, plus a drink, nutmeg and lemon, which is coming for 10 ringgit, which is like less than £2. Reminds me of some of the views from Cape Tribulation in Australia. You've got many of these buildings, the high-rises, that look really dilapidated. This one's not too bad, but I've just come past a few that look really bad. And it looks insane, it looks bizarre against this beautiful backdrop. It's like, come on guys, get them painted. Again, that one's not as bad. The ones just up the hill here, man, they just look like from the 50s or something. It's kind of like just what I was talking about. Look at the state of those, man. Wow. Against that insanely beautiful backdrop, it's such a contrast, right? Freaky. It's like limestone, maybe. Just a tad monumental. A nice golf course here.